சாணத்தில்
Effects of plastic pollution. Ocean health, marine species health, human health, food safety and quality, coastal tourism, climate change and deforestation. Earth temperature will rise because plastic prevents the rainwater to entering to the soil. Already there are some species extinct due to this. Statistical analyzing of plastic in the ocean. The amount of plastic in the ocean will increase every year. It expected 2030 and to increase 3.9 times to compare 2008 level. Evolution of plastic waste during pandemic. This picture shows the evolution of plastic waste during pandemic. For example, COVID-19. At the beginning of pandemic, there was a surge use of single-use plastics, including disposable masks, gloves, and food packaging and online shoppings. Plastic is widely used to food storage and preservation. Medical waste can also lead us plastic pollution. Solution to control plastic pollution. Public awareness and education are essential component to avoid plastic pollution. We can influence through people, social media, and we can provide educational materials. We can conduct school program, community workshop, and public campaigning. We can display banners on the walls of slums, colonies, and sociality areas. Sociality responsible and ownership may every individual may plastic